In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change the URL of your content in HubSpot. To do that, first, head over right here into your marketing, then head over to their website. And once you have done that, just head over and open the page that you want to open right there. Let me open right here my homepage. Let's click on this in order to open it. Once you have opened right here your page, just head over to the settings of that particular page. Here it is. And once you're there, next thing you need to do is update the page URL for this case. Let's head over to the general. You can see right here your internal page name, your page title. So let's also head over and add right here a page. And here we have the content slug. So as you can see, I updated the page title is so it also updated the content slug right here. If you want to change this, for example, let's add homepage. It will also accept that. So you can change your URL right here by changing the content slug of your actual domain. Once you're done, head over and save the changes that you have made. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.